People trust you quickly, not because they know you, but because you don't resist them. You didn't decide who you became, you responded. You learned what worked, what reduced friction, what kept things smooth. So your personality formed around context, not preference, context. Adaptation looks like personality. It has habits, mannerisms, consistency, but it isn't anchored and reshapes when conditions change. Nothing fake, nothing deliberate, just a calibration. The explanation sounds harmless. This is just how I am. I've always been like this. I'm easy. So the structure stays hidden because it doesn't feel learned, it feels natural. Over time, the versions organize: one for work, one for family, one for conflict, one for quiet. Each one functions, each one succeeds, but they never converge. There's no single voice beneath them, only transitions. It appears when you ask a simple question: describe yourself, not your role, not your strengths, just you. Your mind scans situations instead of identity. You list reactions, behaviors, traits that depend on setting. Nothing answers on its own. That pause is the moment. Not confusion, recognition. Your personality isn't missing, it's assembled. That's the trapdoor. You feel slightly different everywhere. Your tone shifts, your limits move, your humor changes. You don't feel dishonest, just adaptable. Like yourself only exists when someone calls it forward. Which version of you do people rely on most? Which one disappears first? And who are you when no situation is asking for anything? This structure feels safe because it works. It keeps conflict low, keeps access open, keeps you accepted. If all the pieces merge together, something else would destabilize. So they remain separate, functional, reliable, and unquestioned. You don't feel divided, you feel consistent because the room is always deciding who you are.